Implementing sanitation for events, concerts, and public crowds is extremely difficult without the right equipment. Disinfection for such activities and locations must be quick, effective, and easy to apply in areas that will host large groups of people. Portable no-contact disinfecting devices like Larson Electronics electrostatic sprayers and cannons are top options for cleaning spaces that host events and public gatherings. These battery-powered units reduce potential contamination risks by spraying charged disinfecting particles in the area. With an effective 99.9% pathogen kill rate, the seamless process only takes a few minutes to complete. With a spraying distance of over 19 feet, coupled with wireless operation, this sanitation device is easy to implement around speakers, seats, stages, and bulky equipment. Personal protective equipment in the form of N95 respirator masks, face shields, safety goggles, and gloves are also available for full protection when using our battery-powered electrostatic sprayers. Next, effortlessly promote no-contact temperature pre-screening during events with our medical-grade infrared handheld thermometer. A backlit LCD screen makes temperature readings visible at night and in low-light conditions. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.